Good morning, everybody. It is Fitz Miller and Skylar back here with another video. So yeah, I picked up a Skyline. Big shout out to HP Logic slash HP Imports and Roberto in Florida for helping me get this thing home. So here she is. This is gonna be a walk around video of my 1992 Gts-4 Turbo. So it's the GTS-4, so it has the all-wheel drive, but it's basically a GTS-T, so it is the four-door, as you guys can see. So it has a GTR front bumper, custom vented hood. It has a kit. I don't know what the rest of the kit is. These wheels are gonna have to go Project Emu rotors. I don't remember how to say it, but pads might be as well. It's got the taillights that I like. Well, I mean, I like both of them, but it's got the GTS taillights. And then let's see, it came with coilovers on it. Let's go ahead and go to the interior here. Overall though, like, it's dirty right now because I drove it back like 12 hours, but the paint, like, you can see the trees on the paint. It's very nice, and I haven't even washed it. But moving to the interior, we have a Momo leather wheel, aftermarket shift knob. We have a GTR passenger seat and a Recaro driver seat. I haven't figured out how to work this thing yet, so that'll be interesting. And then that little thing right there, if somebody could help me out, it speaks to me in Japanese and I don't know what it says. I have absolutely no idea. Let's see, moving to the back here, we have a very, very clean cloth interior. It's not the roomiest, but me being 6'3", I can drive it just fine. It could go back farther if I needed it to. Came with a front mount intercooler and shit, I forgot the brand, but front mount intercooler. And then let me pop the hood for you guys. So here she is. It has a mostly stock RB20. It's a 2-liter 6-cylinder turbo. HKS intake. What else do we have? All hard piping on the intercooler kit. Blocked off blow-off valve, so it makes the stu-tu-tu noises instead of the ch with the blow-off. All these AC lines are still looking good. No leaks or anything. The underside is pretty much mint. The only rust is like over here where they installed the body kit and then didn't prep it. But it's got a carbon fiber strut brace. It has one here and then 2 in the trunk. But here she is. Let's go ahead and I'll give you guys a cold start. That is my absolute favorite part of this thing, and let's take it out. Let's take it for a drive. That's one of my favorite parts, when it just breathes to life like that. Oh my god. But we're gonna go ahead and let this thing warm up and take it out. So I wanted to wait till TJ gets here so I didn't have to drive and film. Say hello.
Hello.
We are on the way to school. Thought it was a good time, so here we go. Ready? I like it. It talks to me in Japanese and I don't know what it says, so if anybody speaks Japanese, please let me know. I don't know when it's gonna do it, but yeah. what it's saying. Japanese. But this thing makes the coolest noises. So this thing sounds amazing. That is like the coolest noise I've ever heard in my life. I always said my next car was going to be turboed, and here we are. But anyways, now that we got a couple exhaust clips, a little walk around of this thing, I'm just going to focus on driving so I can get to school safely. And yeah, let me know what questions or comments or anything you guys want to know about this car, what videos you guys want to see with it, and just let me know for sure. So we will see you guys in the next one.